it is possible that the records set by athletes may eventually come to an end. Throughout history, athletes have consistently pushed the boundaries of human performance, leading to the continuous improvement of records in various sports. However, there may be limits to human physical capabilities, beyond which it becomes increasingly difficult to make significant improvements. There are several factors that can influence the likelihood of records being broken. Advances in training methods, technology, nutrition, and sports science can contribute to athletes achieving better performance. Additionally, changes in rules, equipment, and competition formats can also impact record-breaking opportunities. However, there may be natural limits to human performance dictated by factors such as genetics, physiology, and the structure of our bodies. Once those limits are approached, it becomes increasingly challenging to surpass existing records. It's important to note that even if records do reach a plateau, sports and athletic achievements will still continue to captivate and inspire people. New records can be set in different categories, age groups, or specific conditions, keeping the spirit of competition alive.